In geometry, a line is a straight path that goes undefined in two opposite directions forever. It never stops. In other words, if we were to stop a line at one end, we would have to change the name to something else because it would not be a line any longer. It is now called a ray. So a ray in geometry is a straight path in one direction only. Now, if we were to stop a ray at the other end also, it would not be a ray anymore. The name of a line stopped at both ends is called a segment. This is important to remember, for it could confuse you later on. For example, if I were referring to two parallel lines, I would say, line M is parallel to line P. Notice that there are no points at the end of either line. If they were, it would have to be called segments M and segment P. For example, in triangles ABC and DEF, as shown, we would refer to it by saying, in triangles ABC and DEF, segment AC is parallel to segment DF. Notice the arrows on the parallel segments. These arrows tell us the segments are parallel. Segments may be divided in two or more parts. If we cut a segment in two equal parts, the place at which we cut it is called the midpoint. And of course, both parts will be equal. In here, we are showing that segment AB has been cut at midpoint C. Therefore, we can say with certainty that AC equals CD. If a segment is bisected, in other words, if it is made up by two equal segments, then the point where the smaller segment meet is the midpoint. Go to chapter 10 to learn how to bisect a line graphically.